Hey friends, and welcome to the House of Jen. We are in pumpkin season. It is happening. We just watched a football game and I picked up some flowers at my local Trader Joe's. You are going to see mums all over the place, and I tell you what, whether it's potted mums or the cut mums, they are so happy. Look how many mums you get. You get a huge, big mum bunch for only $4.99. Oh my goodness. And I was just dazzled by the deep plum, kind of wine colored mums right here. I just really, really, really love those. And then because I wanted to keep it kind of a classic, luxurious, gorgeous kind of bouquet, I went for the frilly sort of lovely, girly stock flowers. They're so elegant. They look like little ladies. And then I picked up some berries, this kind of St. John's wort, which is the deeper plum hue as well to contrast it. And I picked up 10 pumpkins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up, I'm getting water everywhere. But we are going to have a fun, fantastic arrangement. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with this bubble bowl, and we are going to create.
Okay, so I have my fish bowl and I am just placing small white pumpkins into a bowl of water with a little bleach and some floral food. Now, I picked these pumpkins up at my local Trader Joe's. I love Trader Joe's. My husband said, "You're going to need a dozen pumpkins." And I said, "I think I just need 10. Well, my husband was right. I needed a dozen. It wasn't quite as full as I wanted it to be, but yes, honey, you were right. So I am just clipping off the leaves. There are already so many leaves on these little flowers that I did not want them to overwhelm my little bubble vase. But I really like the contrast of kind of that dark, kind of maroon, sort of beautiful wine color of the fall harvest season. And instead of chicken wire or any type of mechanics, I'm just putting them in. The first one went in really easily between the pumpkins, but some of them gave me a little trouble. But it should be pretty easy overall if you just keep zhuzhing them around. So I'm just I decided to start off with a framework. For this particular arrangement, I did not do like any hard rule or whatever. I'm just kind of framing the flowers with a similar color. And at first, I always like to do the triangle, 3, but then for bigger vases, you really need 5 or so. So that is the first step. Now I'm clipping these beautiful white mums and trying to do sort of a round shape and tuck them all in. I love that the white echoes and mirrors those beautiful white pumpkins. Oh, and by the way, if you are making this arrangement, I must tell you it is a heavy one. So with the water and all the pumpkins and that glass vase, it felt like a tremendously heavy bowling ball. So if you are just going to make it and keep it on a table for your own centerpiece, it should not be a problem. But I had to have my husband, I had to get him to carry it. If you're going down steps or things like that. It's not that I couldn't lift it, but it was just like, it would have been very laborious. And so he was very nice to do that for me. So I am just tucking in the flowers. You know, I kept going back and forth. I was like, should I kind of pepper them in, alternating the wine colored with the white color, or should I just kind of keep more of a concentric ring? The beautiful thing, some people have like a vision before. I kind of create as I'm going. So it's really up to you. Now I'm just tucking in the white stock flower, and I am just tucking it in here and there, and interspersing it so that it makes sense. I always like to add some berries or some sort of textural piece to give it a bit of interest. These are St. John's Wort. I really liked the dark berry color. They also had the light cream color, but I grabbed these on this particular day. They were not quite as fresh as I would have liked them to be. I was kind of in a bit of a hurry, and so as you can see, the leaves are a little bit brown on the edges, but they are still sturdy enough. I'm just adjusting the height and tucking them in. Berries make such a difference, and I just love how this piece is turning out. I can't wait to see your fall pieces. Please comment below and show me your fabulous flowers. And thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe. I will probably be doing some Christmas videos here, but we are in that little in-between time where there's just so much goodness, so much inspiration. And I'm not really sure what I will be launching out next, but stay tuned. Love y'all.